Hello guys, this is my vlog and this is me again, Sofia Jem Rondero, and our food is pears and orange. Then let's try the pears. How good! And let's try the orange. So good. Bye-bye guys. Like for more, like and subscribe. Guys, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. You want to see me? I will dance in the Burj Khalifa. And I'm not shy guys. Okay, bye-bye. Like for more, like and subscribe.